Good morning students and welcome back again. So we were doing our chapter 14, that is electric current and its effects. In my last video lecture I have discussed the topic, that is heating effects of electric current. What are the applications of heating effect of electric current, about electric fuse and short circuit. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is magnetic effect of electric current. So first you need to know what is a magnet. All of you must have heard of this term magnet and you have seen it also, right? So magnet is basically, it is an object or a material that attracts other metals like iron, nickel and cobalt. It is a force which creates a magnetic field which pulls the materials like iron and it attracts or repels other magnets. So there are basically two types of magnets. One is a permanent magnet, another one is a temporary magnet. What is the difference between the two? Permanent magnets retain their magnetism for a very long time. It can retain their magnetic property for a very long time. Whereas on temporary magnet, they can retain their magnetic property only for a short period of time and until the external agent or under an external magnetic field. So they can retain their magnetic property only for a short time or when they are kept under an external magnetic field. We will only focus on the temporary magnet. We will not discuss about the permanent magnet because that is not our topic. Our topic is basically related to what? Temporary magnet. In the picture you can see that it is retaining their magnetic property only when an external magnetic field is kept beside it. As soon as the external source is removed, it loses its magnetic property and it does not retain their magnetism. So this is about what? This is about the temporary magnet. Now let's discuss in details what is actually magnetic effect of electric current. So we will understand this topic with the help of a simple experiment. Now let's see.
At the end of this media, you will be able to know about the magnetic effect of electric current. Let's do an experiment to know about the magnetic field of electric current. Take a used matchbox and remove the cardboard tray out from the matchbox. Wrap an electric wire around the cardboard tray a few times. Take a small compass needle and place the needle inside the cardboard tray. Connect the circuit as shown in the diagram. Note down the direction to which the compass points. The compass needle is also a magnet, having its ends pointing in both north and south direction. Take a bar magnet and move it near to the compass needle. Observe the compass needle carefully. When we move a bar magnet near the compass needle, the needle gets deflected. Remove the magnet and turn the switch to on position. And now note the direction of the compass needle. There is a deflection in the compass needle when the switch is in on position. The compass needle gets deflected due to the magnetic field induced by the current. Turn the switch to off position and note the direction of the compass needle. Now the compass needle comes back to the original position. Repeat the both experiments few times and observe the deflections. Relate the two experiments where the compass needle is deflected by a magnet and by a wire carrying electric current. When the magnet is brought near or when the current flows through the wire, the magnetic needle gets deflected. So, we can understand that the wire acts like a magnet when electric current is passed through it. This is called the magnetic effect of electric current. You have learned about the magnetic effect of electric current.
Now the question is, who was the first person to observe this phenomenon? there was a scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted. He was the first person to observe that the compass needle gets deflected every time the current passes through the wire. So as long as the current passes through the wire behaves like a magnet. This property is called as what? Magnetic effect of electric current. Now when the switch is off, when the current stops flowing, the wire loses its magnetic property. So this is all about today's topic, that is magnetic effect of current.